Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a great little product. I think it's going to be great. Let's open it up and see what it found. But it is a camping pillow, personal pillow, airplane pillow, whatever you want to call it. But it is a gel foam pillow, still in its sealed bag, so it's all compressed still. And it comes in a travel bag that you can pack it away in. We'll do that a little bit later. But the beauty of this is that it is supposed to have, if you read here, a warm side and, let's see if it says it. I guess it doesn't have a tag on it, but also a cool side. This is supposed to be the cool side. Now the instructions do say that it could take up to 24 to 48 hours to completely expand into its shape. For this video, we're not going to wait 48 hours for it. It's already expanding quite nicely, if you look at it. Very nice. So let's take a look at those. So this is the cooling side. And you know, there's actually a temperature difference in my hands. It is cooler on this side. One side is got a bamboo mesh in it, and the other side is just a gel foam, ventilated gel foam, and it is cooler. And this is cool to the touch. That's kind of weird. And this is not as cool. This is not as cool. And this one will warm up. Now, what it says in the instructions is as it warms up from your own body heat, your head heat, it'll get softer. But it's pretty soft already. I mean, it's probably not completely inflated yet, but pretty soft already. Pretty nice. It is gel foam inside, as you can see. The zipper. And you can wash this cover. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that. So it does retain some shape there. Oh, wow. This side is, I mean, I believe this side is probably 10 degrees cooler. So if you're a person who likes a cool pillow, you can flip it over. Really nice. Really nice. So let's see what we can do about getting it in this bag. I am probably not going to be the expert at that, but let's give it a shot. Doesn't look like it's going to be that tough. And just put it in the bag. Like that. And then what you can do, I believe, is you can take this strap and put it over the top, like so, and then just pull. To make that even smaller, and pull this one too. Now there you go. And there is a nice little pillow pack. Really nice. I mean, for bringing on an airplane, I mean, you might even just use this as a neck support. But let's go ahead and take it back out of the bag again. And then it just inflates itself back up again. Look at how it's just filling itself up. This is a nice pillow. Let's bring it over here where I am. Aww. Should go out and get one of these. That was the cool side. Yep, I could tell too. It's cool. It is cool. Flip it over. It's not as cool. It's not cooling. That is pretty amazing. So, go out and get your cooling memory gel pillow for camping, on the airplane, in the car,